time to play my favorite game! Ito na kaya mga bata! Ito na! Maglaro na tayo sa... Ito na po, sir! Please welcome your Rumble... your Rumble... Time to plunge into Tic-Tac-Drop! Here, you'll need all the right moves to go toe-to-toe against your foe. First things first, you gotta know what you're in for. Check out these rules. Okay, Kurt, let's read the rules.
Yoshi. To win Tic-Tac-Drop, you must pick a line up, down, or diagonally by dropping balls through the board slots. Yoshi. You'll get one ball for each minigame you win. Yoshi. If you reach stalemate, you can start a fresh game. Yoshi! Come on!
Ito na yung laro. Maglaro na tayo. Raffy and Cranial and Kurt for Zion. Okay? Got that? Now let's put you both to the test. It's time to play Tic-Tac-Drop. Got that? Now let's put you both to the test. It's time to play Tic-Tac-Drop.
Tick-tock, stop the clock, and you'll get that like tic-tac-toe. What was made?
Oh yes! And with a wig twist too. You make only a mark by winning, and then by dropping. Now let's play. So you both got your game faces on. So let's dive into a minigame! Spin the wheel! Ulin talaga yung unang minigame. Akin na yan. Ibigay mo na. Hoy, galing. Nasa dilim na tayo. Good luck, guys. Sana hindi kayo maiiwanan dyan, ha? Let's go! Good luck, all of you. Sana Wacholi, you find your way. Sana may tao dyan. Good luck, guys. Tao po. Walang tao. Hi po. I found a person. Hey, Brother Adam, are you up there? Hey, Brother Adam. Tao po. Uy, swabe! Hinahanap ko siya! Hinahanap ko talaga si Benjamin Jokno! Swabe! And our winner is Rafi! Eto na! Dito ko. Eto kaya, saan galing yung bola? Mag-goleta na! Yan! Eto na kaya, next game na tayo ha! Spin yung wheel! Kung saan dada ka mag-stop ha! Kung saan talaga, ay, mabilis lang yan, thank you Lord! Yes! Hi, thank you, Lord. Yay! Our winner is Rafi! Eto na. Dito na kaya ako. Thank you. One last game to do it. This is the last one. Oo, kaling talaga yung laro. Ibigay mo na. Ay, mabilis lang to. Akyat na lang tayo sa taas ng bundok. Kung saan wala kayo makikita kundi yung Baguio o Mount Everest. Mount Everest. Uy, gago, nahulog pa ako. Suwabe naman. Careful lang, ha? Huwag excited. Huwag ito excited. Nice! Tsaka I'm the winner na naman! Thank you, Lord! Tapos na ako!
Whoopee! 3 in a row! 3! Choice!
Absolutely, we have a winning trio! And as a hat trick, as they say, that one of you guys is the victor! And that's Rafi! Congratulations, well played! Yay! Suave! Nice one, Kurt!
Yoshi! I'll try to win next time.
You better be! Good luck, King.